Well, now we have the opportunity to write and solve a system of equations. Oh, what fun. Well, let's see what we got. Joe and Josh each wants to buy a video game. Joe has $14 and saves $10 a week. And Josh has $26 and he saves $7 a week. And the question is, in how many weeks will they have the same amount? Well, let's see. Let's look at Joe. Joe's got 14 and he saves 10 a week. Josh is saving 7 a week. And we're asking about how many weeks. And so let's set our variable x equals weeks. All right, so let's see. I think we can write a couple of equations that's going to get us here. So let's see. Joe, how much money will he have? Well, he's saving $10 a week, 10x, and he has $14 to start with. And Josh, well, Josh is saving $7 a week, so we could say 7x, but he has $26 to start with. Well, there we've written our system of equations. And so we're going to go on our calculator and graph them. And what are we looking for? We're looking for this point of intersection that would tell us in how many weeks they have the same amount. That intersection would give us the answer to this question, how many weeks will they have the same amount? So let's move to the calculator. All right, well, here we are on the calculator, and we're going to graph our two linear equations. One of those is 10x plus 14, and the other one was 7x plus 26. And the 10x plus 14 represents Joe, and the 7x plus 26 represents Josh. So I'll go in here to y equal, and I'm going to clear out what I got. And we're going to graph 10x plus 14. That's the $14 he had to start with. $10 a week he's going to be saving. And then Josh is going to be saving $7 a week, or 7x, but he had $26 to start with. All right, well, let's go look at the graph. I think I may have to make a window adjustment, but let's see. All right, well, I see some graphs, but I don't see any point of intersection. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom this graph, and I'm going to go zoom fit, which is actually option 0. See if that would let me view where this is going to intersect. All right, Shazam. So I've got a point of intersection right here. It looks like when x is equal to 4. But I'm a little bit unsure, so I'm going to go into the table. I'm going to hit second graph so I can look at my table. And sure enough, when x is 4, that would be 4 weeks. Both y1 and y2 are the same amount. They both have $54 in week 4. So the answer to the question, in how many weeks will they have the same amount? 4 weeks. Solving a system of equations by graphing.